Good day everyone. Again, this is Sir Hill Bansuelo Jr., no? Isang magandang balita, no, para sa ating lahat. Ang kaso ng COVID-19 dito sa NCR, pati sa ating mga karatig probinsya ay patuloy na bumababa na, no? Dahil po ito sa ating mga pag-iingat. Ngunit, katulad nga ng sabi ko, ito po ay dahil sa ating pag-iingat. Kaya, ipagpapatuloy pa rin po natin ang ating mga pag-iingat. So, kung tayo ay nasa loob ng bahay, palagian po tayong maghugas ng kamay gamit ang sabon at tubig, no? So, kung tayo naman po ay lalabas, siguraduhin meron tayong sanitizer or hand sanitizer o kaya alcohol sa ating mga bulsa, no? Lagi dapat meron tayong ganyan. At ang ating face mask at face shield. At i-observe pa rin natin ang physical distancing. Ayan. So, mabuti na yung nag-iingat kaysa magsisi sa huli. At syempre, magpabakuna na tayo, no? At very safe po ang ating bakuna. So, si Sir Hill po ay fully vaccinated ng Sinovac. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, sige. So, again, ito na naman po si Sir Hill, ang inyong mat kakwentuhan. So, maraming salamat po sa hindi nyo pagbitiw sa ating mga video lesson. So, itong susunod na lesson natin ay isa sa mga medyo kumakati sa isip ng ating mga estudyante. Ano? So, pag-usapan po natin. Alright. So, ito yung tinatawag nating special product. So, kung makikita po ninyo, nasa screen yung mga special product formula. So, isa-isahin po natin sila. So, kung mapapansin nyo po ito, ayan, ito po yung nasa unahan. Ayan. So, yung number 1 na formula natin. Kung makikita po ninyo, meron tayong operation na plus at minus. Kaya dahil dyan, tatawagin natin siyang sum and difference. Ayan. Sum and difference ng Sir Hill. Kung makikita nyo, meron tayong isa at dalawang binomial. So, sum and difference of two binomials. Ayan. Ayan yung tawag dyan, no? Okay. So, every time daw na makita natin na yung first term ng dalawang binomial at second term nito ay magkapareho at nagtataglay sila ng plus at minus sign in between, tayo po ay pumapasok sa sum and difference of two binomial na ang hinihingi lang po sa ating sagot, napakasimple. Kung ano man yung value ng x natin, yun yung gagawin natin. Gagamitin na natin yun, tapos i-square lang natin. So, yan, mamaya magbibigay ako ng halimbawa, no? Ganon din yung y. Kukunin lang natin yung value ng y, tapos i-square na natin. At palaging minus sign yung nasa gitna nila. Yan. So, ganon yun. So, yan yung sum and difference. Okay? So, pangalawa. Dito tayo sa pangalawa at saka sa pangatlo. Kasi, halos pareho lang po ito. Kung mapapansin ninyo, nagkaiba lang po tayo sa operator na nasa gitna. Yung isa addition, yung isa subtraction. So, ang tawag po dito ay square of binomial. Ayan. Square of binomial. So, bakit square of binomial, Sir Hill, ang tawag sa kanila? Una, bakit square? Kasi kung makikita ninyo yung exponent na naka-raise between x and y on both number 2 and 3 ay 2. So, sa mathematics, sa aking probinsya, no, ang aming wika patungkol diyan ay ang pagbasa diyan, no, ang tamang pagbasa diyan ay square. Ayan. So, kaya every time na meron po tayong 2 exponent, no, ayan, so binabasa po natin yan sa ating probinsya na square. So, square of, bakit binomial? Kasi kung makikita nyo, meron tayong 2 terms ulit. Kaya binomial. Okay? So, kapag nakita daw po natin, ang tanong ay papasok po sa square o binomial, whether ang operator ay addition or subtraction. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pareho lang po yung first term. No? In-square lang po yung first element, di ba? Yung x natin, in-square lang. Kung ano man yung nakasulat dito, yun yung x natin. Ayan. Pwedeng palitan kasi yan guys, no? Huwag kayong malilito, pwedeng palitan yan. Ayan. So, yung ibang libro, ang ginagamit dyan, letter A at saka letter B. Di ba? Hindi X and Y. Kasi yan yung mga madalas na gamitin sa algebra. Yung first 3 letter at saka last 3 letter on the English alphabet. Pero, of course, you can use the entire alphabet if you wish to, no? Ayan. So, muli, balikan natin. So, yung magiging sagot na, every time na ang ano natin ay special product natin ay square of binomial, kukunin lang daw natin yung square ng first term. Ayan. Tapos, kung ano man yung operator natin sa gitna, whether it is plus or minus, kukopyahin lang natin yun. Ayan. No? Tapos po, pagkatapos nun, automatic meron tayong 2. So, that is constant, no? Huwag niyong hindi gagawin niya kasi yan yung utos, yan yung rule, no? So, sabi nga natin dito sa mathematics, tinuturuan tayo sumunod sa batas, hindi lumabag, no? Ayan. So, we follow rules. And of course, kung ano man yung value ng x and y natin, i-multiply natin doon sa 2. Tama po yung narinig nyo, no? I-multiply. Kasi kapag nagkadikit yung number at mga letters, ibig sabihin, nagmumultiply sila. Kasi wala naman tayong operator in between 2x and y. Wala naman plus at minus. So, therefore, nagmumultiply yan. And finally, kung makikita ninyo, parehong plus po yung dulo, no? Parehong plus, no? Ayan. So, laging positive yung dulo natin. Tapos, nandyan palagi yung square ng y. So, ganyan palagi yung forma ng magiging sagot natin. So, mas mauunawaan nyo ako mamaya kapag nagbigay na tayo ng mga halimbawa. At yung pang-4 at pang-5 nating pag-uusapan, so, parang yung number 2 at 3 din, pareho lang, no? Pareho. Yung first at saka second element natin, nagkaiba lang po uli sila doon sa operator. So, yung isa plus, yung isa minus. At this time, kung makikita po ninyo, ang exponent natin ay 3. So, sa aming probinsya, ang wika dyan, cube. No? Cube. Kaya tatawagin natin itong cube of binomial. Ayan. So, I'm sure, alam nyo na kung bakit binomial. Kasi nga, dalawang term meron tayo, no? Cube siya kasi yung exponent ay 3. So, kapag cube of binomial daw, kapag plus ang ika, no, doon sa pagitan ng dalawang variable o kung ano man yung term na yan, no? Kasi pinapalitan natin to guys, eh. So, mamaya, maintindihan nyo ako. So, pinapalitan natin yan. So, kung ano man yung x, i-cube natin siya. So, i-erase natin sa 3. Kung ano man yun. Kung 2 terms sila, edi erase natin sa 3 lahat. Then, automatic plus 3 tayo. O, kanina plus 2. No? Kasi square. Dahil cube na tayo, plus 3 na tayo. Then, susundan niya ng x squared. So, kung makikita ninyo, yung exponent dito ng x, decreasing. Nagsimula tayo sa 3, susunod 2. Kung makikita nyo dito sa dulo, ito, yung exponent natin, 1 na lang. So, syempre, hindi na natin sinusulat yung 1. Kaya wala kayo nakita nakasulat ng 1 dyan. And, kung mapapansin nyo, yung y naman, increasing. Ayan. So, y squared, y cubed. So, yan yung technique para hindi natin makalimutan. So, decreasing yung x, increasing yung y. To the third degree dapat aabot. So, lagi tayong plus 3. Ayan. Kapag nandito tayo sa ayan, sum of the cube of binomial. Ayan. So, sum yan, no? Kapag difference naman, difference of cube of binomial, ayan, no? So, difference naman yan. So, ang mangyayari lang, mga idol, minus tayo sa dalawang bahaging ito. So, yung second term natin, laging minus, pati yung last term. Pero yung first at saka third natin, laging positive. O, so, ingat tayo sa sign, ha? Pero pareho pa rin. Kung ano yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, ganun pa rin, no? So, 3, constant. Tapos yung exponent natin sa x, ganun pa rin. So, 3, 2, 1. Then, yung sa y natin, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Alright? So, yan po yung mga pag-uusapan natin sa araw na ito. So, hindi na natin patatagalin. Magbigay tayo ng mga halimbawa para mas matutunan natin. Okay? Ayan. So, unahin natin yung sum and difference. Ayan. So, unahin natin si sum D. So, sum and difference. Okay. So, halimbawa po, meron tayong ganito. X plus 2. Ayan. Then, x minus 2. Ayan. Ito na guys yung sinasabi, no? So, kung makikita ninyo, pareho yung first term na binigay ni Sir Hill, no? Tapos, pareho rin yung second term. So, ito na yung x and y dito sa pattern natin. Ayan. So, yung mga symbol kasi na yan, pwede nating palitan ng kahit ano. Pwedeng letra, pwedeng number. Now, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang operation natin, plus at saka minus. So, ibig sabihin, pumasok tayo sa special product na yan. So, anong sabi? Dapat ang magiging sagot daw dyan ay x squared, y squared. So, ano ba yung x natin? E di ito. Ano ba yung y natin? E di yung 2. So, ang gagawin natin, ang pattern daw natin, ang magiging sagot, x squared minus y squared. So, yung x natin ay x. So, we have x squared, then minus, no? Yung y natin ay 2. So, 2 squared. Then, let's simplify, no? Yung numerical value ng 2 squared. So, therefore, we have x squared minus 4. At ito na guys, yung magiging final answer natin. Ganyan siya kadali. Okay? Can you follow? So, let's try another one. Okay. Supposing I have a minus 5, then a plus 5. Teka, Sir Hill, bakit nagpalit yung minus at saka yung plus? Baka mali tayo. Yan guys ha, huwag malilito. So, pwede nating pagbalik na rin yung plus at saka minus. No? Pwede yun. Basta ang hindi natin pwedeng palitan na hindi pwedeng, hindi pwedeng i-apply yung sum and difference kapag magkaiba na yung first term at saka second term, no? So, kung magkapareho naman yung first term natin at saka yung second term natin, katulad dito, yung first term natin parehong A, yung second term natin parehong 5, di ba? So, it doesn't matter kung mauuna yung minus or plus. Pasok pa rin tayo dito sa sum and difference ng binomial. Okay? So, ganun. Yan. So, let's follow the rule. So, yung x natin this time, yung x natin, yung a. Yung y natin, yung 5. So, sabi, x squared minus y squared. So, kukunin ko yung x. Ipapalit ko yung a doon sa x, di ba? So, therefore, I have a squared here. Then, automatic minus. Kasi ito nga yung ruling natin. Kailangan daw ang sagot palaging nakasulat sa x squared minus y squared. So, ang x ko ay a. So, a squared. So, yung y ko 5. So, 5 squared. Then, let's simplify itong numerical value ng 5 squared. So, therefore, I have a squared then minus 5 raised to 2, that is equal to 25. Question, Sir Hill, bakit hindi nagiging positive yung minus dito? Naka-square nga. Yan. So, hindi na siya apektado kasi yun na yung special technique natin, mga idol. So, ito, laging minus na siya. Whatever the value of your x and y, minus na palagi siya. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, mga idol. And this is the sum and difference of two binomials. Okay? Ayan. So, let's try the next two rules. Ayan. So, punta naman tayo dito sa square of the sum. Ayan. Square of binomial. Ayan, no? So, sum tayo. Sum of the square of binomial or square of the sum of binomial. Or, in short, square of binomial. Ayan. So, Bigay tayo ng halimbawa. Halimbawa po, meron tayong ganito. M plus 4. Ayan. Square. So, ang ruling natin mga idol, kailangan i-identify natin what is our x at what is our y. So, yan yun. So, ang magiging sagot daw natin palagi, kapag ganito ang nangyari, ayon sa pattern, i-square daw natin yung x natin, then, mag-a-add daw tayo ng plus 2. Automatic yon. Then, i-multiply natin yung 2 doon sa x at saka y value. Pagkatapos po, i-square natin yung value ng y. So, ito yung susundin natin. Ito yung magiging pattern natin, mga idol. So, gawin natin. So, let's plug in the value of x. So, yung x natin is m. So, we are going to replace x by m. So, simply m square. Diba? Kasi yung x mo ay m. Kaya, m square. Then, plus 2. Di copy natin, plus 2. Then, multiply to x. So, yung x natin ay m. So, we have 2m. Then, multiply to y. Yung y natin ay 4. Diba? Ito na yung 2xy. Then, plus, ang sabi, y square. So, ang y natin ay 4. So, square natin. Then, pagkatapos nun, isimplify na natin. No? So, we have m square. So, we can multiply 2 and 4. So, let's combine those numerical values. So, 2 times 4, that would be 8. Then, we simply copy m. Then, plus the square of 4, that is equal to 16. And this is the final answer. And it is written in this form. Okay? This is our final answer. Okay? So, let's try another one. Okay. Supposing I have n plus 6. Ayan. Square. Alright. So, again guys, let's identify our x and our y. Ayan. And we follow this rule. Ito pa rin yung rule na gagamitin natin guys. Ito pa din. Okay? Ayan. So, sabi x squared. So, we are going to replace x by n. So, therefore, I have n squared. Then, plus. Ayan. Yung sakit sa mata yung blue, no? Balik natin sa black. Ayan. Let me just rewrite here. Ayan. Then, sabi sa rule, plus 2. Then, followed by x. Multiply yung x. So, yung x natin ay n. So, replace natin yung x by n. So, we put it inside the parentheses because we are going to multiply them later. Then, the value of y is 6. Ayan. Then, plus. So, this is now your 2xy. Then, plus y squared. Your y is 6. So, therefore, you have 6 squared. Then, we are now ready to simplify. So, just bring down n squared because we cannot do anything about it na, diba? Then, we multiply 2 and 6. So, that would be 12. Then, simply copy n. Then, plus 6 raised to 2. That is equal to 36. By the way, ang 6 raised to 2 is not equal to 6 times 2. No. Ang 6 raised to 2 is equal to 6 times 6. So, remember, we add exponents on the law of exponent when we have the same base. So, that's the reason why we have 36. Just for recall. And this is our final answer. Okay? Let's try another example. Okay, supposing I have 4y plus 3. Ayan, square. Alright. So, again, let's identify our x. So, itong dalawang ito guys, ito yung x natin. Remember ha, dalawa yan. 4y yung x natin. And this is our y. Now, again, if this is the case, we always do the pattern. So, sabi, ang square ng binomial, ganito palagi yung magiging sagot. So, square ng first term, then plus twice of the first and the second term, then plus the square of the last term or the second term, which is y, no? So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, we simply follow this rule, then let's plug in what we have. Okay. So, in this case, our x value is 4y. So, therefore, I will square the entire 4y. So, if you could notice, guys, I put a parenthesis because we have two terms na, no? 4 and y. Okay? Because we are going to square both 4 and y. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ganito yung gagawin natin, guys. That is a violation because what you just square is yung y. You forgot the 4. So, this is a wrong, very wrong move. So, this is the proper one. Okay? We have to square 4 and y. Then, plus, according to the rule, 2, then multiply to your x. So, the entire x is 4y. So, we simply copy 4y. Then, multiply to your y, which is 3. Yan. So, this is now your 2xy. And finally, plus y square. So, your y is 3. So, we have to put it on square. Then, let's simplify here. Dito na lang, guys, ha. Yan, let's simplify here. So, 4 square. So, that is 4 times 4. So, that is equal to 16. Ayan. Then, y square. Then, plus 2 times 4. That is equal to 8. Then, 8 times 3. That is equal to 24. Then, simply copy y. Then, plus 3 square. That is equal to 9. And, guys, this is our final answer. So, again, ang key sa pag-aaral ng special products, guys, ay magsanay tayo palagi. So, I hope itong video na to makatulong sa atin, no? Alright, so let's try the other one, yung minus naman. Ayan. So, dito na tayo sa third formula natin. So, square of binomial pa rin. So, this time, minus naman. So, ang pagkakaiba lang naman, guys, yung operator lang in between o yung second term naging minus na. Pero the rest, the same. Okay. So, let's try an example. Supposing I have m minus 4 square. Ayan. So, again, guys, we have to identify our x. This is our x. And this is our y. So, sa ibang book, this is your A, this is your B. Yan, no? Kasi yung iba kasi, ang ginamit dito, guys, ganito. A plus B, A minus B. That's why, ang sagot, A square minus B square. So, okay lang yan, guys. Kahit anong letra yung gamitin. As I've said a while ago, in algebra, yung pinaka ginagamit natin, yung first 3 letter, tsaka last 3 letter of the alphabet, no? So, don't be confused kung ang ginamit dito sa akin ay X tapos sa inyo A. So, usually, sa secondary, we use as A, diba? Ayan. Alright, so ito naman, ang ginawa nila, so A plus B square, ayan. So, ang sagot ay A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, itong pangatlo natin, this is A minus B square. So, that is equal to A square. Ito lang yung changes. Nag-subtract tayo at the middle. Then, 2AB plus B square pa rin. So, plus pa rin yung dulo. No? So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Okay. Alright. So, kunin na natin yung pattern. So, ang pattern natin, itong pangatlo, no? So, sabi dyan, A square or X square. So, our A or X is M. So, therefore, we have M square. Alright? Then, minus Alright, so then we subtract 2. Alright. Then multiply to our x or our a. So that would be again m. Then multiply to our y or b, which is 4. Then the last term is always plus pa rin, no? So plus b squared or plus y squared. So our b or y is 4. We have 4 squared. Then we are now ready to simplify. So we have m squared minus, so 2 times 4, that would be 8. Then simply copy m. Then plus the simplified form of 4 squared, which is 16. And this is our final answer. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, let's try another one, guys. Okay. Supposing I have 2m minus 3 squared. Ayan. Okay, again. This is our A, this is our B, or this is our X, or this is our Y. Whatever letter is your preference, it's okay for me. Basta, just follow the rule, no? So, ito yung sa A, pinalitan lang naman natin lahat ng A ng X, lahat ng Y ng B. So, they are simply the same. Okay? So, again, the square of binomial says that we have to square the first element. So, our first element, which is our A or X, in this exercise is 2m. So, again, we have to put them inside the parentheses kasi we have two terms na, no? So, 2m squared. Then, minus 2. Then, multiply to your A or X, which is 2m. Then, multiply to your B or Y, which is 3. Then, automatic, the last term is always plus the square of your B or Y, which is 3 in this scenario. Then, let's simplify. So, we distribute the exponent 2 on both 2 and m. So, what is 2 raised to 2? That is equal to 4. Then, of course, we have m squared. Then, 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Times 3, 12. So, minus 12m. And simply get the value or simplified value of 3 squared. So, that is equal to 3 times 3 or simply 9. And this is our final answer. So, that's how to do the square of binomial. So, again, paalala, ang mathematics ay isang pen and paper skill. So, hindi pwedeng nanonood lang tayo at nakikinig. Kailangan gamitin natin yung mga pens natin and scratch paper to practice, no? Ayan. And, pag-usapan na natin yung last two formulas. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo. So, itong pangatlo natin, yung cube of binomial, whether it is sum or minus. So, sa ibang book, no, gumagamit nga tayo ng A and B. So, para hindi malito yung iba na ang preference nila ay A and B. So, papalitan lang natin lahat ng X ng A, lahat ng B ng Y. So, we have, again, cube ng A natin, then plus 3. So, sabi natin, yung exponent ng A o ng first term ay decreasing. While, yung exponent ng second term o B ay increasing. So, kapag plus, all plus tayo. So, dalawa tayong plus 3. Ayan. So, para hindi tayo malito. So, plus 3 tayo kasi nga cube na, no? So, dahil 3, 2, so 1 na lang dito. Then, yung B dito, 1. Kailangan yung B dito, ang exponent na ay 2 kasi increasing tayo. Then, finally, the cube of B. Ayan. So, yan yung sa sum. Ayan muna tayo. Yan muna yung pag-usapan natin. Alright. Supposing meron tayong itong value. Halimbawa, m plus 2 cube. Ayan. Okay. So, again, guys, let's identify our A or X. So, this is our A and this is our B. So, ang ruling, ito. So, ito dapat yung magiging pattern natin. Ayan. So, susundin lang natin yan. So, pag yan daw yung tanong, so, sagutin natin katulad nito lang. So, papalitan natin lahat ng A ng M, no? Lahat ng B ng 2. Okay. So, sabi A cube. So, therefore, I have M cube. Then, automatic plus 3 guys, no? Plus 3 kasi tayo. Then, A square. So, yung A natin ay M. So, M square. Then, multiply to B. Your B is 2. Ayan. Okay? So, ito na yan. 3A square B. 3A square B. Then, again, plus 3. This time, A na lang. So, M na lang. So, wala nang square yung M. Pero, yung B naman natin yung naka-square. Kaya, yung 2 yung naka-square natin. Okay? This is now our 3AB square. Then, plus yung B cube or yung 2 raised to 3. At isi-simplify na natin. So, bring down lang natin yung M cube. Then, i-multiply na natin yung dalawang numbers. So, 3 times 2. So, that is 6. Then, simply bring down M square. Then, plus. Okay, laging plus yan, no? So, GEMDAS rule tayo, no? Kapag meron tayo nakitang exponent, unahin natin yung i-simplify. So, 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4. So, 2 raised to 2 ay 4. 4 times 3, 12. So, we have 12. Then, simply copy M. Then, finally, yung 2 raised to 3, that is 2 times 2, which is 4. Eh, 3 times 2 ulit, which is equal to 8. And this is our final answer. So, ganyan lang siya guys, kadali. Diba? Sobrang dali lang. Okay? So, let's try another one. Supposing I have P plus 3. Ayan. Cube. Okay? So, again, let's identify our A and our B. Ayan. So, ipa-plug in natin yan mamaya, ha? So, again, ang pattern natin, A cube dapat, plus 3, A square B. Again, plus 3, AB square, plus B cube. So, ipapalit lang natin dyan. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-isip. Ang gagawin lang natin, mag-substitute lang tayo. So, sabi A cube. What is our A? P. Kaya nga, P cube. Then, plus 3 times A. Again, what is our A? P. Eh, sabi is square. Kaya di i-square natin. Then, multiply natin yung wait lang. Hindi pala natin na ilagay sa loob ng parenthesis yung square na. Ayan, wait lang yan guys. Pero okay lang din naman yun. Pwede rin naman doon. Kaso nga lang, baka malito kayo nagawa ko na kanina. Ayan, so, ayan. Then, plus, multiply to your B. Your B is 3. Ayan. Then, again, plus 3. So, this time, A na lang. No? Yung A natin ay P. Ayan. So, wala na siyang square. Pero, this time, yung B naman yung naka-square. So, we have 3 square. Ayan. Then, plus B cube or 3 raised to 3. Okay? Kasi yung B natin, 3. Aha. Sige. So, simplify na natin. So, you have P cube, then plus, unahin natin yung mga numbers, 3 times 3, that would be 9, then P square. Okay? Then plus, again, yung may exponent muna. So, that would be 9 times 3, 27. Then, simply copy P. Then, yung 3 raised to 3, that is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. At guys, ito na ang ating final answer. P cube plus 9P square plus 27P plus 27. O, diba? Ang dali lang naman. Oh. Ayan. So, let's try another exercise. Again, doon pa rin tayo, no? Siguro ito na yung huli para dito. So, supposing I have 2x plus 3. Ayan. Cube. Okay. So, again, ang pattern natin, cube of a plus 3 square of a times b, then plus 3a, then square of b, plus the cube of b. Okay? So, our first move is to identify our a and our b. So, ito yung magiging replacement set natin para sa a at b. So, lahat ng a magiging 2x. Ayan. So, lahat ng b magiging 3. Yun yung ibig sabihin nitong pattern natin. So, ganun lang gagawin natin. Sige, gawin na natin ha. Sabi a cube. So, ang a ko ay 2x, edi 2x cube. So, every time na magiging 2 terms na po yung pamalit doon sa variable, we have to put them inside the parentheses para mai-distribute natin ng tama yung exponent. Okay? Then, plus 3. So, sabi a square. Ang a natin ay 2x. O, di square natin yan dyan. Then, multiply sa b. Yung b natin ay 3. Ayan. Then, plus 3. Sabi times a. Yung a natin ay 2x. Yung b natin ay 3. Pero, this time, square natin. Kasi b square, no? So, yung b natin ay 3. Then, finally, b cube. So, yung 3, i-raise natin sa 3. So, 3 raised to 3. Then, let's simplify. Distribute the exponent. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 because 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Then, x raised to 3 is x raised to 3. O, ganun lang. Then, plus, unahin natin yung mga numbers ha. 3 times 2. Wait lang. May exponent pala doon. Ayun na nga. So, sabi natin, exponent muna. So, 2 raised to 2, 4. Ayan. So, 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36, x squared. Ayan. So, therefore, we have 36 x squared. Then, plus. Okay, unahin natin itong may exponent. So, 9 times 3. Unahin na natin to. Pagsamahin na natin to. 2 times 3, 6. So, 9 times 6, 54. Ayan. So, you have 54 x. Then, plus 3 raised to 3. That is equal to 27. So, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So, kung mapapansin niyo guys, no, kailangan pa rin natin yung multiplication table skills natin. Kaya nga, again guys, please find time to memorize your multiplication table. Of course, with the element of time para makuha natin yung speed, no? And when we do exercises on multiplication table, then our accuracy will follow. Then, there is now a symbiotic relationship na. Magkakaroon na ng relationship na yung mag-work na hand in hand yung ating speed and accuracy. Okay? So, that matters most. No? Lalo na kapag nag-exam na tayo, no? Hindi pwedeng we are accurate lang but sobrang bagal natin. Hindi naman pwedeng we are on the speed of light tapos we're not accurate. So, speed and accuracy must work hand in hand. And we are now on the last exercise. Ayan. So, basically, sa inyo, kung A and B yung ginamit, so, ganito siya. So, cube of A minus B, no? So, this time, subtraction naman. Pareho lang naman yung pattern natin. Kaso nga lang, yung second term natin at saka yung last term natin ay subtraction o minus yung operator. So, minus 3, ganun pa rin, A square B. So, plus 3A B square, then minus B cube. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, nag-alternate lang yung sign. So, positive, negative, positive, negative. So, that's the pattern here. So, hindi na yan magbabago, mga lodi, mga idol. O, ha? Paalala, plus, minus, plus, minus. So, di ba, hindi naman mahirap tandaan. Okay, so, magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. Supposing I have x minus 3 cube. Ayan. So again, let's identify our A. So this is our A and this is our B. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng A, papalitan natin ng X. Lahat ng B, papalitan natin ng 3. Ganun lang kadali. At gagayahin lang natin itong pattern na ito. Ayan. Ganyan lang gagawin natin, guys. Okay, let's do that. Bilisan natin. Gawin na natin. So sabi A cube. Your A is X. So, therefore, I have x cubed. Then, minus. Sabi, minus 3. Automatic. Sabi, a squared. Your a is x. So, therefore, this is x squared. Then, multiply to b. Your b is 3. So, times 3. Okay, this is now our minus 3 a squared b. Then, plus 3 times a. Your a is x. And your b is 3. So, this is 3 square. Sabi, b square. So, 3 square. Then, minus. Okay? Finally, no? The last term is minus b cube. Ang b natin ay 3. So, 3 raised to 3. So, we simply follow the rule. So, this is now 3ab square minus b cube. Diba? Then, let's simplify. So, we simply bring down x cube. We cannot do anything about it na. Then, let's simplify the numerical value. Again, taking the minus sign, it will not change. Again, plus, minus, plus, minus. That's the pattern, no? So, 3 times 3, that would be 9. Then, we simply bring down x squared. Then, plus. So, plus, minus, plus, no? So, unahin natin yung may exponent, guys. So, 3 raised to 3, that would be 9. Then, 9 times 3, that is 27. Then, simply bring down x. Then finally, minus. So, plus, minus, plus, minus. So, 3 raised to 3, that would be 27. And guys, this is the final answer. Sobrang dali. Diba? Kayo lang eh. Diba? Let's try another one. Supposing I have 3x minus 2 cube. Ayan. Again, this is our A and this is our B. Again, this time, all A must be replaced by 3x and all B must be replaced by 2. Then, just follow this rule. Okay? So, simulan na natin. So, sabi A cube, no? Our A is 3x, so therefore, I have to put it inside the parentheses, then put it on a cube, no? Erase it to cube. Then, minus 3, automatic. Then, A squared, so you have 3x squared. Then, multiply to your B. Your B is 2. Okay? Then, plus 3. This time, A na lang. So, our A is 3x. But, our B must be square. Kasi B square. So, 2 square. Then, minus B cube. So, our B is 2. So, therefore, we have 2 raised to 3. Ayan. Then, let's simplify. Unahin natin yung may mga exponent. Diba, guys? So, 3 raised to 3. Ayan. 27. Then, x raised to 3, edi x cube. Then, 3 raised to 2, 9. 3 times 2, 6. So, 9 times 6, 54. So, minus 54 x squared because we have to distribute pa rin yung exponent doon sa x. Then, here. So, 2 times 2, that is 4. Then, 3 times 3, 9. So, 9 times 4, 36. We have plus 36, then we simply copy x. Then, minus 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And therefore, our final answer is 27x cubed minus 54x squared plus 36x minus 8. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. So, pagsanayan natin, practice lang, pen and paper scale. So, always use your pen and paper, guys. No? I want you to use your pen, especially pencil, no, para pwede tayong mag-erase, 'di ba? Hindi na masyado madumi yung paper natin kung ball pen yung gagamitin natin. So, pencil and eraser is much better. Alright? So, I hope you learned something new today. So, thank you so much.